Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off the safe chat on Roblox on PC. So first of all, of course, if you don't have the Roblox downloaded on your PC, you'll need to go and download this through any browser you are using. So just go and open the browser, type roblox.com and hit the enter button. You'll need to log in into your account, or if you have an account, you'll need to create an account. Just provide them with some simple information like your birthday, and you'll be able to create your account. I advise you to verify your email when you create your account or when you log in into your account. That will prevent you from getting hacked, or even if you want to reset your password if you forget it. You will even get a free item when you verify your email. Who doesn't love a free item, right? So once you do that, you'll need to just go and download it on your PC. Of course, you once it's downloaded, just install it and run it on your PC. Of course, when you do that, you'll need to log in again here when you run it. And of course, that will be then your home or your main screen. From here, you will find the games that you recently played or the game that you are interested on. And of course, from here, if you want to actually disable the safe chat, just go to the three dots here at the left side and then go to the settings option. From here, you would like to go and click at the parent control first of all, and make sure if you have it enabled, make sure to disable it. Of course, they will ask you to enter a pin code. So for me, I'm just going to enter my pin code and I'm going to click at unlock. So when I do that, they will give me actually 5 minutes to do whatever I want and to have the full options into my account. So from here, I'm just going to click at X and I'm going now to the privacy settings. From here, I will need to go to communication. Of course, make sure the accounts restriction are disabled. Make sure it's disabled. And the communication, you can make it on custom. And of course, change the filtering level if you want. Make sure to, if you want to have it 13 plus, and who can message you. Of course, you can like make everything at everyone, so you will not have the safe chat off. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. I mean on. So thank you guys for watching and goodbye.